In our mathematics, we are learning fourth chapter, angles and pairs of angles. So now the next topic. In last period we have studied interior part, exterior part of the angle. Also we have solved practice set 15. Now we are going to learn complementary angles. Now see here. This is angle PQR is a right angle triangle. Angle Q is right angle, and you know that right angle is of 90 degree. Okay, now see here. Now I will draw one. I will divide this right angle in two angles. Suppose ray QS divides this right angle in two angles. That means this 90 degree is divided in two parts. PQS and SQR. That means angle PQS plus angle SQR, the sum of the measures of both angles is 90 degree. This 90 degree, that means this right angle is divided in two parts. That means sum of these two angles, angle PQR plus angle SQR, is equal to 90 degree, and such pair of angles is known as complementary angles. Complementary angles. That means if sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, they are known as complementary angles. So here measure of angle PQS plus measure of angle SQ, and therefore angle PQR and SQR are angle PQS and angle SQR are complementary angles. So now we will solve examples dependent on this property. There are some solved examples on page number 26. You go through those solved examples. Now we will solve examples from practice set 16. Practice set 16, question number 1. The question is the measures of some angles are given below. Write the measures of their complementary angles. Example 1. Now angle is given, angle of 40 degrees is given. So we have to write the complementary of this angle. Now see here, let the measure of complementary angle be x. And we know that property, sum of the complementary angles is 90 degree. That means 40 degree plus x degree is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, x is equal to x degree is equal to 90 minus 50 degree. So, our answer is 50 degree. Therefore, measure of complementary of 40 degrees 50 degree. Example 7. The measure of angle given is x degree. Now we have to find its complementary angle. So, now let the measure of complementary angle be winding. So here, therefore, x degree plus y degree is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, y degree is equal to 90 degree minus x degree. So this is your answer. Answer is 90 degree minus. Therefore, the measure of complementary angle is 90 degree minus x degree. So, in this way, by similar method, you solve remaining examples 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now, we'll solve question number 2. Now see here, these two angles are complementary. That means sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Therefore, y minus 20 degree plus sum is 90 degree. Therefore, solve these brackets. Y minus 20 plus y plus 30 is equal to 90. Now see here, y plus y, 2y, and 30 minus 20, 10. And therefore, 2y is equal to 90 degree minus 10 degree. So 2y is equal to 80 degree. Therefore, so one angle is 40 degree. That means, y is 40 degree. Now see here, first angle. Therefore, y minus 20 is equal to value of y is 40 is equal to 20. And second is y plus 30. So, those two angles are 20 degree and 70 degree. So, it is your answer. So, now we will learn the next pair of angles, that means supplementary angles. Now see here, this is line AB, AC, point B is on line AC. And you know that this type of angle, this is straight angle. Already we have learned these types of angles, and measure of this straight angle is 180 degree. 180 degree. Now I will draw a ray from point B. Ray BD. Now this straight angle is divided into two angles. Angle ABD and angle DBC. That means this 180 degree is divided in two parts. And therefore the sum of these two angles must be 180 degree. That means angle ABD plus angle DBC is equal to 180 degree, and such pair of angles is known as supplementary angles. That means here measure of angle ABD plus DBC. That means if the sum of the measures of two angles is 1 degree, if the sum of the measurements of two angles is 180 degree, then those angles are known as supplementary angles. And therefore angle ABD and angle DBC are supplementary angles. Now practice set 17. Question number 1. Write the measures of the supplements of the angles given below. Example number 5. The given angle is of 180 degree. So we have to find the supplementary angle of 180 degree. So therefore let the measure of supplementary angle BX. Therefore these are two supplementary, that means sum is 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180 degree minus 180 degree. That is equal to 70 degree. And therefore the supplement of 108 degree is 72 degree. This is your answer. So in this way, in question number 1, there are 7 questions, 7 examples. We have solved 5th example. Remaining you solve using the same property. Now the question number 2, see here. Now see here, in question number 2, the measures of some angles are given below. Use them to make pairs of complementary and supplementary angle. So you have to choose the pair such that to choose the pair of complementary, the sum should be 90 degree. For example, angle B plus angle N. That means 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 degree. Okay, this is the pair of complementary angle. So you have to find such pairs whose sum is 90 degree. To find the supplementary angles, you find such pairs that the sum is 180 degree. For example, angle N is equal to 30, angle J is equal to 150. So 30 plus 150 is 180 degree. Therefore, measure of angle N plus measure of angle J is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle N and angle J are supplementary. In this way, you can find the pairs of complementary and supplementary angles. Now, we'll solve the question number 4. Question number 4. The difference between measures of the two angles of a complementary pair is 40 degree. Find the measures of two angles. Now here, let the measure of one angle bx. Therefore, so measure of its complementary -90 minus x. Okay. Sorry, the difference is 40 degree. So the other may be the measure of the other x plus 40. That means difference between these two is 40 degree. That means one angle is greater than 40 than first other. Therefore, difference is, that means these two angles are x and x plus 40. Difference between them is, according to condition, is 40. Now these two are supplementary. Sorry, not supplementary, complementary. So sum must be 90 degree. And therefore, x plus 40 degree is equal to 90. And therefore, 2x plus 40 degree is equal to 90 degree. And therefore, 2x is equal to 90 minus 40 degree. 2x is equal to 50 degree. And therefore, x is equal to 50 degree upon 2 is equal to 25 degree. So one angle is 25 degree. That means x is equal to 25. So other will be x plus 40. That means, therefore, 25 plus 40, 60 degree. And therefore, so measures of those angles are 25 degree and 65 degree. So in this way, remaining you solve remaining examples from practice set 17. This is for your homework.